So hi guys, this is Chrizel and we're going to a park in Kichijoji. We're waiting for a bus right now because we don't have a car and our car is in the shop for the yearly checkup. And I have the two babies with me. The eldest one we're at home. Gail is having an important exam coming and Ansel just want to stay home. So yeah, that's the setup for this weekend. We're still in SOE here in Tokyo and there are so many places that we are not allowed to go.
Nicola.
Where are you going today?
In a park.
Okay, so what are we doing here?
Waiting for the bus. Bye-bye, guys. Bye, guys. Do it again? Bye-bye, guys. Have a good day for your vlogs.
Yeah, thank you. You love it here?
Stop here. Hi, we're in the bus now. Hi, we're bus now.
We are here at the Kichijoji. We are going to Inokashira Park. I love Kichijoji. Exciting place here in Tokyo, but this is a very expensive place to live here and like big land. You wanna go in the boat? You also wanna go? Nicola, don't walk so fast. Hi, my name is Chrizel and we are riding boat right now here at Inokashira Park. This is really so fun. My babies love it so much and we're still here in SOE situation in Tokyo, but I think there are places that are open like open space like parks. There's a zoo here, but the zoo is closed. So yeah, I don't see so much people. This is fun. This is really good for everyone because it's like we're treating ourselves with nature medicine for our body and soul. I think every now and then we really need it most, especially for all these pandemics and crises all over the world. Nicola is our boat driver for today. I saw a turtle. Oh my god, I hope the turtle is still there. The babies would love to see it. They get to spend some time in the nature and have some boating here. And they really love riding the bus. So that's kind of rare moments for us to ride bus because we have the car. But our car is in the car shop. So yeah, this is something like special for us this weekend. And I saw a lot of parents here with their childs, usually like the father, like, you know, this is one thing of what I noticed here in Japan. I saw a lot of father who are like taking care of their kids during weekend, and I don't see that much in my country. So yeah, I really have a high respect for those fathers who spend time for their kids. So renting this swan boat for 30 minutes, it cost 700 yen. So that's really not like bad. The greenish water, and it looks deep and scary. Say hi to the ducky.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Hi guys, we're back in the nature again, and I really demand this to my husband that we need to go in the nature because I feel like, I don't know, I just don't want to be stuck at home for the whole weekend. Clear the state of my mind, and yeah, I think this is a good thing. I know it's just so impossible to go out somewhere. I like spending time here sometimes. Because spending time in the nature is just releases your depression, your anxiety, and it makes you happy. And I don't mind walking. I love walking a lot, especially we have a stroller with us, so that's kind of really helpful. When you spend time in nature, our brain gently registers the sound of the wind in the leaves, in the waves, you know, and it's just kind of like the kind of hormones where it reduces the stress level. I think that's how the magic of the nature works for all. It really reduces your stress, your anxiety, your depression, and that's kind of like amazing stuff. Yeah, so that's why I want to spend like time in nature as much as possible. And I wish it's not raining and I can show you more here, because I feel like it's difficult to move when there's like, it's raining, it's wet. I don't like walking and it's wet. You know that kind of feeling? it's such a fantastic feeling, like you are able to walk and ponder stuff here with the nature. And yeah, it's just raining. I'm kind of sad, but though I know I love walking in the rain sometimes, but I think this kind of rain is a little bit stronger and it's gonna make us wet. So yeah, just bear with me guys. I hope you enjoyed my little vlog. This is one of the amazing thing, like living here, or like I really love living here. The idea of living here in Tokyo, it's like kind of paradise. They say you will encounter a lot of stress, and living in Japan is kind of stressful, especially for the foreigners who doesn't really speak their language. Because I honestly can tell, like I really don't speak the language, and I feel so like dumb many times. But I don't mind. I don't get that to my brain. And Tokyo is a vast city, and there's nature's everywhere, and it's just so very clean, and people are not stressful here. Like they don't even like you know, you just walk and go your way and they don't disturb you. So I find like, wow, this is kind of like heaven and paradise. One thing like I really love living in the city lights, and they have this, they offer this kind of natures. Yeah, so it's really raining. Oh my god, Nicola, you're amazing. Thank you for taking this video for me. Oh, yeah, lavenders. Here's like a little glimpse of the Kichijoji. This is an exciting place here. A lot of shops, department stores, restaurants. So this is also one of my bucket lists, to live here whenever we have the chance to get our new second house. But 100 square meter here is very expensive, and I think 100 square meter is not enough for my dream house. My husband was like, what's that? This is our favorite tofu shop. Whenever we come here in Kichijoji, we drop by here and get something, because they really have different kinds of tofu, and really feel it's so delicious. I'm here at a shop. I want to check some hat. I feel they are beautiful. My husband is now taking care of the baby, so I have to check here. I think it's a nice shop, and I love hats. I think this is all for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed my video showing a little bit of nature here in Tokyo, and I feel so refreshed with some walking and like just embracing the scent of the nature with my babies too. See you in my next vlog.